Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'm the head of International Department of Braiden Consulting Law Firm. You are about to watch our screencast on how to get a one-year student visa in Russia. Let's go! Alright, so here's the commission offer for a 12 months Russian student visa. If you're currently in Russia on the basis of a valid non-student visa, then first you have to go out to your home country and stamp your student visa there. By the way, if you're having the expired visa right now, then first you have to legalize your stay, get the transit visa, and only then leave Russia. All right, let's go forward. So here you can check the information. So, for example, the education program is Russian as a foreign language. So you will learn Russian. You'll have an online classes once a week, so you don't have to go anywhere. So here's the stages of our work. First, we'll sign the contract. And then when we will get the advance payment, the university will start making the invitation. As practice shows, the university needs around like 2 months to make the ready-made invitation. So after that, you will submit your ready-made invitation to the Russian Consulate Service, and you'll get the 3 months entry student visa. Then when you will arrive in Russia, the university will prolong your stay. Basically, they will stamp another visa for the entire period. So you'll get the multiple entry visa for the rest of the period. So here is it, obtaining a multi-visa for 9 months. Here you can check the cost and payment procedure. So the total cost is 185,000 rubles. Here is the payment procedure. So we have the advance payment, and then each further payment is tied to the result. So as you can see, when you get the invitation, you pay the 40,000 rubles. Then when you arrive in Russia, and eventually when you will get your 9 months visa in your passport. So please check the offer carefully. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our Telegram channel, YouTube channel, and all social media of Braiden Consulting Law Firm. Stay tuned.